When you are solving multi-step equations with variables on both sides, sometimes strange things happen. So in 8th grade, we're going to learn what happens sometimes when we come to an equation that generally towards the end will look a little different. So we're going to take a look at the equation number 1. We have 3 times the quantity 5x plus 2 equals 15x. So we know the 4 steps to solve any equation. We are going to distribute first. So 3 times 5x is 15x. And 3 times positive 2 is plus 6. My plus sign is a little weird. Equals 15x. So again, you know you need to get all of the variables to one side and all of the constants to the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 15x on both sides because I want to eliminate the 15x on the left. So 15x minus 15x cancels out, and I'm going to bring down my positive 6 equals, on the right, now I have 15x minus 15x. Well, if I have 15x minus 15x, what does that give me? 0. Now look at my equation. Does 6 equal 0? It will never equal 0. So in this case, this type of equation is what we call a no solution. Because our variables ended up canceling out and we're just left with 2 constants that don't equal each other, the answer will always be no solution. So no solution could look like 6 equals 0, it could be 9 equals 4, 2 equals negative 1. You'll always get a statement that is not true. So you don't write 0, you don't write anything, you just write the words no solution and you're done. That means no value of x will make this equation true. On the other hand, if we go to the other side, Now let's take a look at this equation. It's negative 2 times the quantity 4y plus 1 equals negative 8y minus 2. Again, let's distribute. I get negative 2 times 4y is negative 8y, and negative 2 times positive 1 is negative 2. Equals negative 8y minus 2. Look at that. They look the same. All right, well, let's not worry about that just yet. Let's keep going. Let's get rid of our constants first. Let's add 2 to cancel and add 2 to cancel. This will also cancel. All right, negative 8y equals negative 8y. Again, they're the same on both sides. All right, let's just keep going. Divide by negative 8, divide by negative 8. Now I'm left with y equals y. This is a true statement. This means that the answer to this equation is infinity, or infinitely, that's an F, many solutions. Okay. Unlike the no solution problem, this problem means any number I plug in for that letter y will make this equation true. I could plug in a 2, I could plug in a 0, I could plug in a 5, I could plug in a negative 1,000. Any number I plug in will always make this equation true. So it's infinitely many solutions.